Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 32 of the Microsoft Word tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to create multi-level lists inside of Microsoft Word. So we learned how to create a list right here, and let's say I want to number it out just like this in order to create chapters. And what I want to do specifically is go over here and then choose a number for the chapter as well. So just go to level list right here and you can see the level list is right here. So let me just go over here onto this section and you can see that I have something like numbered list right here. So you can see that I have 1, 2, 2.1, 2.1.1 as I have in research papers in most of the reports. So if I want to change this into something like heading, let's say I want this to be heading 1, this to be heading 1 as well, this 2 and 3. As per the formatting we assigned over here, we can actually select this out and then go over here onto this section. And over here you can see that I got this format right here. So I got heading 1, 2, 3 and so forth. So if I were to just click on it, you can see that that has been applied just like that. If I were to click tab right here, you can see that that actually is now a heading 4 right here. So you can see that I got heading 1 right here. This is a heading 1. And this is a heading 2, this is a heading 3, and this is this. If I were to press tab, it turns into heading 4. Press tab again, it's a heading 5, and you can apply new settings to it. So if you want to create chapters, this is quite an easy way to create a document just like this. So you can actually press enter right here and then create new chapters just like this. So this is very important. So if you were to change the heading style, so in order to modify this, just press bold and press OK. It'll actually apply to all of the pages just like that. So that is how you can format multi-level lists inside of Microsoft Word. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.